Welcome back. Now that you understand version control with Git, let's move on to another core skill, using the Linux command line. Don't worry if you've never used it before, we'll walk through the basics step by step. First, let's navigate the file system. To change the current directory you're working in, use cd space folder name. Using cd by itself, or cd tilde, also known as the squiggly line, takes you to your home directory. Think of your computer's folders and directories like a tree. You go further out a branch every time you type cd with some directory name. Using cd // a file path lets you access a directory from anywhere in the tree. To climb back up to the branch you came from and move up a level, you can use cd space 2 full stops. To create new folders, you can use mkdir, which is short for make directory. To view all the folders in your current directory, use ls to display them horizontally in columns. Alternatively, ls-1 displays them vertically, with one file or folder on each line. This makes it easier to read if there are a lot of files. ls-lrt uses three options together. L shows details such as permissions, size, and modification date. R reverses the order of the list. T sorts by time. Therefore, ls-lrt lists your files with details sorted from oldest to newest. Lastly, Control-C is a keyboard shortcut to interrupt any running command. This can stop commands that are taking too long or help a program exit an infinite loop. Moving on, virtual environments are another essential component to setting up your agentic AI framework. They let you isolate dependencies to avoid conflicts, since different libraries and resources often require different versions of the same software. You can create a virtual environment with python-m venv/path/2/venv and activate it with source activate. You're now ready to move around in your environment, organize files, and isolate your software setup. In the next video, we'll show you how to design effective prompts and plan your first agent project.